NanoBanana Pro is the best AI image generator right now. Period. But if you've tried it, you already know the painful truth. Results aren't always consistent. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get stable, repeatable professional results in NanoBanana using something called the JSON prompting method. JSON means JavaScript object notation, but you don't need to know JavaScript. It's just a structured prompt that the AI understands. So instead of guessing, it actually knows what to do. Most people type simple prompts like make me look good, nice lighting, realistic skin. But NanoBanana doesn't know what nice means. It guesses, and when the AI guesses, results change every single time. JSON stops the guessing. It tells NanoBanana who the subject is, what stayed the same, what can change, and what must never change. It's like giving the AI a blueprint instead of a wish. I'll be using NanoBanana Pro on aistudio.google.com because it's free. You can also use Hitsfield AI or other platforms if you want, but the method is the same. Here's what we're about to do. 1. Generate a JSON prompt template with ChatGPT. 2. Test it in NanoBanana Pro. 3. Upload a photo and you'll see the characters stay consistent every single time. And 4. Change only the expression to prove consistency. If you follow this method, it will work 100%. Trust me on this. JSON is like a shopping list for the AI, a structured set of ingredients. Instead of saying cook something nice, you tell it exactly what to use, how much and how it should look. Alright, let's test this in real time so you can see exactly what happens. To create the JSON prompt, we are going to use ChatGPT. We just upload our reference image and give some simple instruction like this. Next, we just take the JSON prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into NanoBanana Pro, hit run, and watch the magic happen. NanoBanana reads the structure and analyze everything: subject, outfit, lighting, background, camera angle, and mood. The model doesn't just spit out something random. Natural skin texture, consistent lighting, realistic depth, not plasticky artifacts. It feels like a real photo, not AI. Side by side you can see it didn't copy the picture exactly. It kept the structure, the vibe, the color harmony, but added new details. That's the real power of JSON prompting. Control and creativity in the same workflow. Alright, let's try another one. We drop a new image inside NanoBanana Pro, paste the JSON prompt, hit run, and boom, check this out. It keeps the face from the reference photo and the final results look like an Instagram ready picture. Just look at the input versus output. It studied every feature and translated it perfectly. This is mind blowing. Now I am going to upload the same image again, but this time I'll ask for different facial expression while keeping the character identical. Same face, same proportion, same hairstyle, nothing changes except the expression. And I can do that with one simple prompt in NanoBanana Pro. For example, give me 4 expression variations, keep the identity, proportions and facial features exactly the same. This is perfect for thumbnails, characters, storytelling or building a brand face with AI. But JSON isn't always the best option. It's amazing when you need accuracy, stability or repeatable results. But if you want the AI to think outside the box, try a new direction or feel less restricted, JSON can hold it back. It limits creative flow. So when you are experimenting or going for an artistic vibe, skip JSON and let the model run free. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.